Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Jira. Let's get started. First go to app.clickup.com and log in your account. On the left panel, click on your profile icon from the top left corner, click Apps from the drop-down menu, then click App Center from this side menu. And this will open a new tab where you will click on Development from the left panel. In here, just scroll down until you see the Jira app and pick whether you want a personal or private connection or a workspace connection. After that, just click on Connect right here and this pop-up will appear. In here, just log in your Jira account, then click Accept right here. And that is how you can integrate ClickUp with Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.